the halving in estimated 2024. Now, if all blocks come on schedule, it's going to happen again in May 2024. So what was really interesting, let's first talk about this past halving, is you had all these S9s that people were selling as quickly as they could leading up to that halving, because that reward cutting in half was going to make those not profitable. So you had S9s being sold $20, $30 a unit. And after the halving, the price of Bitcoin appreciated so much that the mining rewards were more than they were before the halving. I mean, in the dollar-based mining rewards, it was less Bitcoin, but that Bitcoin was worth more. Over the next 6 months, those S9s that were trading at $20, $30, $40 before started trading at $700, which is amazing. So I think that I going into the next halving, first off, I'm optimistic that the mining hardware, the rate of improvement in Bitcoin mining hardware is slowing down on an absolute basis, such that this equipment today should last, a longer period of time. It's my hope, it's my expectation that going into the next halving, we're not going to see a fire sale of S19s like we did S9s. People are going to be continuing to run these. But a lot of that depends on what your cost of production is. The miners who benefited so much from that halving were the ones that had such a low cost of production, low cost of power, that they could scoop up all those S9s at a very low price and then have a lot of hash rate that turned out to be very lucrative going forward.